How to fix BlueStacks Error 2004 Something went wrong, installation failed. Method 1. Click on the Start menu, then click on the gear icon. In the Settings window, look for Update and Security and click on it. In the Update and Security window, you'll see a tab called Windows Update on the left. Click on the Check for Updates button. If there are any updates available, Windows will start downloading and installing them automatically. Just let it do its thing. After the updates are installed, Windows might ask you to restart your computer. Go ahead and do that. Once your computer restarts, open BlueStacks and try installing the application again. Hopefully, the error won't show up this time. Method 2. Click on the Start menu and type CMD in the search bar. You'll see command prompt in the search results. Select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt window that pops up, type sfc/scannow and press Enter. This will start a scan to check for any corrupted system files. The scan might take some time, so just let it do its thing. It will automatically fix any issues it finds. Once the scan is complete, restart your computer. After your computer restarts, open BlueStacks and try installing the application again. Hopefully, the error is gone now. And there you have it, 2 effective methods to banish BlueStacks Error 2004 for good. Don't let technical glitches keep you from your gaming adventures. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gaming.